Some artists say that an empty canvas can be a very intimidating thing, but not for Ahmed Mohamed Mude. He knows exactly what he wants to paint today.
There will be a man putting in soil for the tree on one side, and on the other side there will be a woman watering it. It shows the government is growing, and we want Somalis to see that.
Until recently, Mude and the other veteran artists working here at Mogadishu's Center for Research and Dialogue had either given up their craft or were painting in secret. Art, sports, and various other forms of entertainment were forbidden by the extremist Al-Shabaab, whose time in power is considered one of the most repressive since Somalia's troubles began in 1991. Not only did artists receive death threats, the late Abdul Qadir Yahya Ali, a prominent peace activist, founder of the CRD and patron of the arts, was murdered in his home by suspected Al-Shabaab fighters. With the support of several development agencies, Ali's friends and successors like Ahmed Noor Abdulle are overseeing a project that helps Somali artists create pieces about their country's dramatic change in fortunes.
Al-Shabaab people, they believe that art is haram, what's called prohibited from in the real Somali religion. But as soon as Al-Shabaab started defeating, these artists come out. That's the only time they can come out and show their talent to the public. Before that, they can't. They can not even come out from their homes.
Clearly, times have changed. The project's members have placed over 20 paintings in high-traffic parts of Mogadishu. Many of these places were no-go areas until Al-Shabaab fled the capital and much of central and southern Somalia under pressure from the Somali National Security Forces and the African Union Mission in Somalia, or AMISOM. The East African country now has an interim constitution, parliament, and president, Hassan Sheikh Mohamud. Not only will they have to rebuild Somalia's institutions and infrastructure, they will also have to inspire and educate their populace about the various rights and privileges they were denied under the Al-Qaeda-affiliated militants, and that's where artists like Mohamed Toho can help. Toho's painting has just been mounted in Waberi district near a busy taxi park.
This painting has great importance, and you can see it from the title. It says all people are equal before the law, and that means MPs, the president, the ministers, and ordinary people are all equal before the law.
It doesn't take long before people notice it and begin interpreting its underlying message.
I think it means that everyone is equal before the law. The painting shows the police arresting an old man who looks responsible. It means that if someone who looks responsible can be arrested, and ordinary people can be arrested too.
There are still many threats to Somalia's rise, and the combined efforts that helped the country reach this point are needed now more than ever. But no matter how challenging the road ahead gets, one of the hardest things to kill is hope. And this creative group of Somalis know that even when it seems like it's gone, all it may take is a simple brushstroke to bring it back to life.